Hello guys, it's Dale here with a new weekly trading analysis video. Before I go into the new trading ideas, I just wanted to quickly remind you that we are running a special sale on my website, and that sale is going to end up soon. It's going to end tomorrow, as you can see on this banner on my site. So if you still want to get 52% discount on my best educational and indicator packs, you best hurry up. You can get those, the indicators and education, on the traderdale.com page. You click this button and it will take you to a page which offers two educational and indicator packs. The first one focuses on volume profile trading. It includes volume profile video course, my personal trading levels, which you'll be getting every day, and volume profile indicators that I develop for various trading platforms. The other pack is called the order flow pack, and it is ideal for those who want to day trade using order flow software. This pack includes my custom-made order flow software, video course on order flow trading, and volume profile indicator pack for various trading platforms, including TradingView, NinjaTrader, and MetaTrader platform. So that's what you can currently get 52% discounted until tomorrow. Alright, so let me now jump into the TradingView platform and let me talk about the new trading ideas. So the first trading idea is on Bitcoin. So that's what you see on your chart. It's Bitcoin US dollar 30-minute chart. And I want to talk about a new resistance which has formed in here. That resistance is at 23,800, and it is based on one of my favorite volume profile setups, which is called the volume accumulation setup. This setup works with rotation, which is followed by a trend activity, like in here. Now there needs to be heavy volumes inside the rotation. You can see that on the volume profile here, right? Heavy volumes were traded here before the start of this aggressive sell-off, which started from this heavy volume zone. What this is telling us is that sellers were active here, building up their short positions, and then they manipulated the price to shoot downwards. Now this level is important for the sellers. This is the beginning of that heavy volume zone, and it is important for the sellers because they placed a lot of their shorts here, right? So they're likely to defend this place. So when there's a pullback to it, then it is likely that the price will react there, sellers will become active, and they'll push the price downwards from there again. Alright, so that's the logic behind this resistance, which I have in here. What we need to do now is just wait for the pullback here and take it from there. Now there's also one thing that adds strength to this resistance. The thing is that if you look at the gray profile in here, this gray profile shows the volume distribution on Bitcoin over the whole previous week. Right here, this is where the volumes were the heaviest. This is the weekly point of control. And because the heaviest volumes throughout the whole previous week were traded here, it is a very strong level to trade from, and it definitely adds strength to our resistance, which we have in here. Alright, so this is a nice combo, nice confluence of two trading setups, and that's why I think that there is a high probability that the price will react there. So that's it for the Bitcoin. Let me now switch over to the next chart, and it will be the British Pound. Now on the British Pound, I was pretty active concerning posts which I sent you, concerning videos I sent you. We had a couple of trades here. We had a resistance right here. This is how the price reacted to the resistance. We also had two supports. First one was in here. This was the reaction to it. Second one was in here. This was the reaction to that one. So a couple of nice trades. Now currently there is a new resistance that I wanted to show you. So let me delete all those older levels and talk about that new resistance. It is in here at 1.2018, and it is based on the volume accumulation setup, the same setup which I showed you on Bitcoin. So there's a rotation from which strong trend started. Because there was a downtrend, then it is telling us that sellers were active here, right? Sellers were accumulating their short positions in here, and then they pushed the price downwards. By the way, I'm using flexible volume profile here. That's a volume profile which you can move around like this, select areas into which you are interested in. The most important area when you are trading the volume accumulation zone is the rotation before the trend started. All right, so this is the rotation, this is the volume distribution within the rotation, and right here this is my resistance level, 1.2018. So sellers were active here, and then they pushed the price downwards. So when there's a pullback, I think it's likely that those sellers will defend this very important zone, and they'll push the price downwards, right? They'll be defending their shorts, which they placed here. So that's why they should become active. All right, so when the price makes it back, then the chances are the price will react there. Now, very similarly as on Bitcoin, we also have weekly point of control in here. So again, this is weekly volume profile from previous week. And again, we have that weekly point of control here. Again, it adds strength to our resistance. All right, so that's for the British pound US dollar. I don't know if I mentioned that, but I'm working with my new set of indicators that I developed for TradingView platform. Those are all custom coded indicators. If you are a member of one of my trading courses, then you'll get those for free. So anyways, let me go to the next trading idea, which will be the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. All right, so now you see the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, 30-minute time frame. And what we have in here is a trend setup. Trend setup is a volume profile setup, which I like to trade when there is a trend, like in here. What I did is I selected that trend area with flexible volume profile indicator to see how volumes were distributed inside that trend. So what I wanted to talk about is this volume cluster, which is telling us that sellers who are pushing the price downwards are active here and adding to their short positions in here, right? This is the beginning of that volume cluster and our resistance at 22.01. When there is a pullback, it is likely that sellers from here will become active and they push the price downwards from there again, all right? Now, additionally to this, there's also a price action setup confirming that volume profile setup. The price was reacting in here in the past, which means that this worked as a support. Now, afterwards, the price went past that support, turning the support into a new resistance. Right? So this is a price action setup, which confirms our volume profile level. And this is also the reason why I'm talking about this volume cluster today and not about this volume cluster, because the upper one has that price action confluence. So to me, it appears stronger. Right, so what we need to do now is just wait for pullback and take it from there. So that's about the analysis for today, guys. Don't forget the special sale. If you want to join my team and become a member of my trading course, don't forget the sale is ending tomorrow. And before I wrap this video up, what I want to do is announce 3 winners of those beautiful new indicators. Right now on your screen, you see the names of those winners. So congratulations for winning this set of indicators. And what I'll do next is I'll do another contest where you guys can also win this set of TradingView indicators. And the only thing you need to do to participate in the contest is leave a comment below this video that I'll upload on YouTube. And next week on Monday, I'll randomly pick one person to win those indicators. All right, so that's about that. That's about the video for today. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video, or if you decide to join one of our courses, then I'll see you in the members area. So see you next time, and until then, happy trading.